The American weekend officially begins on Friday evening, but already by Friday morning there are signs that the weekend is just around the corner. You see fewer cars on the highways, and the buses and subways are less crowded with people too. This is because some people take a day off on Friday to have a 3-day weekend. Things are also different at work. People don't wear the same clothes as they wear on weekends. They dress themselves more casually. For instance, managers in the office may put on casual sports clothes instead of coat and ties. Some people put on blue jeans. This trend toward Easy Fridays is popular with employees who normally wear uniforms to work. In Los Angeles, for example, bus drivers are usually dressed in neutral jackets, hats, and trousers. Recently, however, they have received permission to wear polo shirts and baseball caps on Fridays. Transportation officials believe that this new Friday dress code is good for the driver's morale, and they are also sure that the passengers won't mind, just as long as the buses run on time. In many American families, it is common for both parents to have full-time jobs, even when they have little children. But if both mom and dad are gone all day, who on earth takes care of the kids? In quite a few homes, the nanny does. A long time ago, only rich people could afford to have a nanny. Nannies were usually middle-aged and married women who were strict with the children. They insisted on their children behaving themselves at all times. These days, however, many middle-class families have college students to work as nannies. Usually, these people who take care of children are young women, but some young men do this type of work too. Often nannies live with the family, and the children grow up to love them very much. These living jobs appeal to college students because they don't have to spend money on rent and food. Sometimes foreign students take just as nannies, a job as nannies, hoping such work will help them improve their English skills. There's one problem though, because they spend so much time playing and taking with real children. Most of the English they learn is baby talk.